Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add object in Snapseed. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Snapseed app. Now choose a photo that you want to add any object to. For now, I'll choose this photo. From here, since we want to add an object, simply click on Tools and now click on Double Exposure here, and now click here to add the subject or object from your gallery. As you can see, I have already downloaded PNG object in my gallery. Simply choose the subject, and as you can see, I have added a subject in my photo. Now what you can do to enhance this is play around the opacity slider here, and you can also choose different overlays option from here that will enhance your photo. Once you're happy with your photo, click here to save changes. And just like that, we have added an object in Snapseed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.